Good morning to my Have Will Travel team. I just wanted to touch base with y'all, let you know to check out my channel. Probably within the next day or even this weekend, I plan on doing a lot of content about airport hacks, traveling hacks, must-haves, all the good stuff. I've done a lot of traveling over the years. I've done a lot of travels in the United States, and I've done an extensive amount of traveling overseas. So as you all know, those overseas flights are long and dreadful, but I've got all the tips and tricks to help you make it very comfortable. And before you know it, you're already on the ground and you didn't realize it was an 8 to 9 hour flight. So I've got all the tips and tricks, airports, passports, must-haves, you name it, I've got it all. So I'm gonna get that information together for y'all, and you can use all my tools and tricks and see if it all helps y'all out. I'm here for you. I'm more than happy to do any type of pricing for you, do any research, which is my favorite thing to do, and some ideas on excursions. Whenever we travel, the husband, he does not sit still. So needless to say, we always are on the go. No matter where we go on vacation, we're always on the go. We're always doing something. And the thing that we like to do when we travel is to check out the cultures of where we're actually at. We don't like to just go to the hot spots. We like to get down in the nitty-gritty of the city and explore and see what their culture is, how they live, what they eat, all that stuff. So those are definitely things that I can provide to you. And hey, something I say, somewhere I've been, might actually help you out and point you in that direction and say, hey, this is the trip I've been wanting to take. A lot of times when we travel, we document everything. So when we come back, we always have friends and family say, I want to do exactly what you just did. So that's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you out. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel, Have Will Travel, or you can look under my name, Shelby Moriarty, and I will be able to take care of you, provide any information that you need. This is not my first rodeo. I've been traveling for years, so I'd be more than happy to help you out, because believe me, if I had someone that did this for me before I started doing all the traveling and trying to figure out everything on my own, it would be a blessing. So I'm here for you. If there's anything you want to see, just shoot me a message. I'd be happy to let you know. Help you out any way I can. Thank you, and you'll be seeing my tips here shortly. And thank you for subscribing. Continue to watch my videos. Leave me comments. That's the only way I know any information, is if you leave me comments. Is it a video that you liked? Would you like to see something new? This is here for you. So make sure you leave your comments and like my videos and watch them and subscribe, and please share. Please share, because somebody out there is going to need some help, and might as well let me help them. Thank you all so much. I appreciate your support. Have a great day.